What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's a little different. No more heavy equipment type stuff. I left my job. I gave my 2 weeks, kind of moving on to different path career, but I still will keep this a welding channel. I'm just going to be welding more at my house, little intricate stuff, truck stuff, you know, whatnot. Not really a heavy equipment unless I get a call out to work on something. So for today, we are going to be making a tattoo armrest for my, well, not the armrest itself, but we're gonna make a stand so he can get it closer to his chair and have more flexibility with the height and everything. So he showed me a couple pictures. I'm gonna be making it out of some 1x1 1/8 inch, and this is the armrest pad. So this is gonna slide into it, and yeah. All right, we're gonna start making our 45 cuts. We gotta cut the 45. We're doing kind of a triangle type leg pattern, and then we'll 45 to have little feet on it. And then I got some 1-inch rubber plugs for the bottom so it's not scraping up the tattoo shop floor. All the metal workers out there, I'm sure you probably have seen it, but if you are just getting into this stuff, if you ever have a chance, you need a cold cut saw. If you want precision cuts and just smooth, not a lot of cleanup, it does make quite a bit of mess with the kind of the chips getting everywhere. But other than that, these are a must have. You can see right here that I'm using a speed square to check my angle on the saw blade. I never trust the lines on any of these cold cuts or abrasive saws, as the blades will flex and you end up getting a cut that's not true to what you are looking to get. So I throw a speed square in there. I make sure I'm either 90 or 45 depending on what I'm cutting, and then I lock it in. All right, got everything prepped, deburred, cleaned up. This is kind of going to be the base, and then these are going to be the feet. So it'll sit 4 inches tall, and then overall he wants it 2 foot with the pad. So once we get this where it needs to be, we'll set this up, pull a measurement. Might have to trim this down because this is pretty long. He wants to be able to drop it down so he has more flexibility with putting feet up on it, or arms if you're on a table laying down, just extra support. So got the legs on, got the welds all cleaned up. We're gonna tack this together, tack the other side, weld this off, and then we're gonna find our measurement for how tall we need it. got these new, well, they're not new, they're new to me, the Diablo flap disc that you can actually get in the corners. I've always wanted to clean up the corners, but I never knew they made these, so I picked one up. I'm gonna give it a try, see how it works, see if I like it or not. It's not bad. It's not as clean as I would like it, but we're gonna paint this, or he's gonna paint it, so it'll look better. All right, so right now this is sitting at 28. We're gonna chop it down 4 inches, get to 24 inch, and that'll give us our measurement now. For our 1x, we gotta be at 19 inches to be overall 2 foot. All right, got the stand mostly complete. Now what we have to do is do our pinch bolt. I thought it'd be kind of cool to do this, but now that I'm looking at it, it looks like a bit overkill. So I'm gonna dig around in my scrap pile, see what kind of stuff we got, make something cool for them. That's all we have. Well, we have to cut this bolt down to size. I had an idea, weld this wrench on there. Thought that would be kind of cool. Anytime I cut bolts with threads on it, I always like to leave a nut below where I'm cutting. That way I don't have problems trying to thread this into something. I can unthread it and it'll clean the threads on the way out. All right, all that is left. Let's weld this little wrench on, give him something to kind of grip, get a good tight fit. You don't got to be perfect. I'm just gonna eyeball it. This thing's still hot, so I'm not trying to burn my fingers. Let's see how she works. Ooh, you see that smoke? All right guys, and that is a tattoo armrest. Almost forgot, I do have rubber plugs for the bottoms. That way, tattoo shops, they got nice floors. You don't want to be scratching the floors up, dragging some metal around. Pop those in and it'll be good to go. Guys, that wraps it up for today. Got the tattoo stand all done. dropped it off to my buddy at his shop. He's already using it and he said it works perfect. He can get it a lot closer to the chair so the client's arm is a little more comfortable. You don't have to reach out, or they can put their legs on it because now it goes low enough. Let me know in the comment section what kind of stuff you guys enjoy watching. All right, guys, until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.